Hi everyone, welcome to my first ever episode of Medical Mysteries, where we explore the chilling and often shocking true crime stories within the world of medicine. Today we uncover the terrifying case of Dr. Christopher Duntsch, infamously known as Dr. Death. So Dr. Christopher Duntsch was a neurosurgeon who promised to revolutionize spinal surgery. And with prestigious training and a promising career ahead, he seemed destined for greatness. But behind his confident facade lay a dark and sinister reality. Born in Montana and raised in Memphis, Tennessee, Duntsch was a bright student who pursued his medical degree at the University of Tennessee Health Science Center, and he completed his residency in neurosurgery and a PhD in cell biology, setting him up for a very successful career. In 2011, Dr. Duntsch began practicing in Texas, where he performed spinal surgeries. It wasn't long before his patients started experiencing severe complications. Some were left permanently maimed, while others tragically lost their lives. One victim's family member quotes, "My mother went in for a routine spinal surgery. She never came out the same. She was in constant pain until the day she died." And a former patient said, "I trusted him with my life, but he destroyed it instead. I can no longer walk or live independently." So alarmed by the rising number of botched surgeries, colleagues and hospital staff began questioning Dr. Duntsch's competence, and reports were filed and an investigation was launched. The Texas Medical Board started receiving complaints, but due to bureaucratic delays, his license was not immediately revoked. So despite the mounting evidence, it took years before Dr. Duntsch was finally stopped. In 2013, his medical license was revoked, but the damage was already done. It wasn't until 2015 that he was arrested and charged with multiple counts of aggravated assault. The trial was a media sensation with shocking testimonies from victims and colleagues. The prosecution painted a picture of a man who was either grossly incompetent or deliberately harming his patients. In 2017, Dr. Duntsch was found guilty of maiming one of his patients, Mary Efford, and was sentenced to life in prison. Dr. Christopher Duntsch's case is a chilling reminder of the potential to harm within the medical profession, and it highlights the importance of vigilance and accountability to protect patients from those who should never have been allowed to practice medicine. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Medical Mysteries. Stay tuned for more true crime stories in the medical field, where we uncover the truth behind the healing hands that sometimes harm.